Today I will be doing an unboxing of this Jackie Chan's Breakout Hits collection, limited edition. Got this off of Amazon. When I was younger, I used to watch these movies with my dad, so some of these will bring back memories, at least to me. Let's get right to it and get this unboxed. There you have it. I don't want to do too much talking so you could hear those glorious sounds of unboxing. As you see, some of these movies have an international cut, the original Hong Kong cut. If you're wondering, like I was, what the difference is, apparently the Hong Kong cut is the original release of the film, which is usually a little bit longer, has more scenes that were then omitted to fit the international versions. If I'm wrong, please correct me down below in the comments, but this is really awesome. As I mentioned earlier, this brings back a lot of memories with me and my dad and our family watching these movies when I was a lot younger. Apparently these are the 6 movies that really brought Jackie Chan into the spotlight here in the USA. As an Evo owner, car owner, the Evo Lancer Evolution car, I've never really even seen this movie yet. This came out in 1995 when I was probably 10 years old or so. I think that's when it came out, but can't wait to watch this. But I'm very happy for $100, a little over $100 on sale. This is actually pretty impressive what you get. You get some postcards here or from the filming of the various movies. And there's a lot of them. They really didn't skimp on any details here. And this is like a large poster for one of the movies. I forgot which one it was. I'm not sure we can see on camera here. Back when he was a lot younger. Wow, look at that. Rumble in the Bronx. Yep, I definitely saw this one in the theaters decades ago. This definitely has some collector value, I'm assuming, for those who are into that kind of things. And look at this, a book. Wow, entire book. I think that's what a lot of people like to do. But yes, I am happy with my purchase. I can't wait to watch all of these and hope this video helped bring some glory or bring back Jackie Chan to the modern day. This will go in my retro playlist. Right now on this channel, I'm going to start reviewing some things that I was into when I was younger, but maybe forgot about it until a few decades later. This will be the first in the series. Thank you for watching today, and I'll see you guys next time.